Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about multiplication of fractions. Let's get started. In this example, we are asked to multiply 2 over 7 by 4 over 9. Well, when you are multiplying fractions, the rules that apply during the addition and the subtraction of fractions may not apply here. Here, we don't bother about whether they are like fractions or unlike fractions. If they are like fractions, they can be multiplied together. If they are unlike fractions, they can still be multiplied together. So here, what you are really concerned about is how to multiply them. But before we go ahead and multiply, let's just first review the basic rules. So if you have two fractions, a over b multiplied by another fraction, c over d. So the rule says that you multiply the numerators together and you multiply the denominators together. So the new fraction or the answer to this will be a multiplied by c divided by b multiplied by d. So that gives us the value of ac divided by bd. So let's apply this to our example. So in this example, we multiply the two numerators. This is the first numerator, that's the second numerator. So we have 2 times 4 divided by what we also multiply the denominators, 7 times 9. So what we have is 8 divided 7 times 9 is 63 over 63. So the product of 2 over 7 and 4 over 9 is 8 over 63. Sometimes you have to multiply proper fractions and mixed fractions or even improper fractions together. Well, the same rule still applies, but the only thing is you want to convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction so that when multiplying it becomes easy. So this is going to be 4 over 5 multiplied by, we want to convert 1 2 over 5 to an improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is 5. If you add 2 to 5, that's 7 over 5. 7 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 8. 3 over 8. Okay, so now if we apply the same rule, so we have all the numerators are multiplied together. 4 times 7 times 3 divided by 5 times 5 times 8. So if you multiply 4 times 7, that's 28. 28 times 3 is 84. So that's 84. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 8 is 200, because that's 50 times 4, that's 200. So 200. Now we can't leave our fraction like this because it's obvious that we can reduce it further. So if we divide this by 4, this is going to give us 21. If you divide this by 4, it's going to give us 50. So this is going to be our answer, 21 over 50. Well, this is a simple multiplication. You just multiply the numerators or the top number. So 3 times 1 is going to be 3 times 1 divided by 5 times 4. And that gives us 3 over 20. In this example, we are asked to multiply all mixed fractions. So the first thing, you convert all the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 3 1 over 5 is 5 times 3 is 15, 16 over 5, multiplied by 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 4, multiplied by 8 times 1 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 over 8. So we have 16 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 15 divided by 5 times 4 times 8. So 16 times 7 is 112, and 112 times 15 will give us 1680. 1680. divided by 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 8 is 160. Okay, so we can cancel out the zeros. So we have how many 16s do we have in 168? Well, that's 10. 10 times 16 is 160, and then we are left with 8. So 8 over 16. We can reduce 8 over 16 further. So 8 here 1, 8 there 2. So that gives us a final value of 10 and a half. So the essential rule you want to follow when you are multiplying fraction is to multiply the numerators together. In this example, we have AC. You multiply AC together, that gives you AC, and then you multiply the denominators BD, and then that gives you B. So BD forms the new denominator, and AC forms the new numerator of the new fraction. That's it on multiplication of fraction. Thank you for watching.